right here, I have what I call planning for success and making the process faster. So it's just like basically creating like a little template. So the first thing we're going to do, I have that on another screen next to me, is I create and send flow. So I'm just going to create a flow. I'm just going to call this template flow. And we'll just say takes action when someone is active on site. Let's just do that for now because this doesn't really matter until a little bit later on. It's just going to make things a little bit easier. Klaviyo kind of makes things hella easier anyway, but this will make sense. So it doesn't really matter again. Configure message doesn't matter. Email one, again, doesn't matter. What we're going to do is we're going to create one. Go to column and select one. So this is where it gets interesting. So what we're going to do is here, as you saw on this, and I'll provide this little thing in there for you below, we're going to have the pre-header. So the pre-header is going to be this. Second subject line, hook them, just so you know, right? This is just going to be a logo. Well, I don't know why I just did that. This is just going to be a logo. And that's mine. And then always put an alt text, which could be something like hustle mode logo. Obviously put your own store, and then always center it, save, bang. What I want you to do is star this and call it header logo. Great. Okay, so you got second subject line, then you got this, which is your logo, and then you're just going to come here. You're just going to get rid of that. You're going to turn it to normal and just call it body. Okay. Body copy. And then below it, where you've got this, I want you to take the footer, and that's what I showed you guys earlier. Delete, get rid of it, put that there. Okay. And now when you come to styles, and always do this because it looks much nicer when it's cleaner. Go to here, put 22 because it's nice and easy to read, right? And then come down here to text where it says, because this is a mobile one now, content width, content margin, you want to put this one at 22 as well because when it's on mobile, it's going to be so much easier to read. Come back over to body. Body copy's fucked up. That is my alarm clock because it's about 5 a.m. here in the morning. Sorry. We'll just fix that up. Okay. And we'll just quickly resize that to something like 12. Come to block styles, ensure that it's on normal. So it's not, actually that looks a bit squashed up. So back to 130, actually 150 looks nice though. Yep. Cool. So that's not too bad now, it looks nice. And then whatever font you want to use, of course. Now, you want to throw in a drop shadow, so it breaks it up a little bit. Come to light, bang. So that's kind of like a little, you know, little template. So save content, save as template, call it general template. Now, kind of have an idea how we want our stuff to look now. Now, Klaviyo makes things easy for you if you want to create some sort of flows. So what we're going to do is we're going to go over to flows on the left-hand side. We're going to go to browse ideas. And the first flow that we're going to do is the abandoned cart. So I'll see you in that next lesson.